Hey, what's up guys, my name is Andrew and welcome back guys to my channel. So guys, this is the latest video update and the current update regarding income enter box and our current progress. So let's take a look at it guys. So these are the trades guys right now, right here in front of your eyes, and I'm going to discuss how we did it, how we made these trades. You know, as you can see, we have 1, 2, 3, we have, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have 13 trades now running at the moment guys, and as you can see, our biggest trade is for Nasdaq 100, you know. For this trade guys alone, I am making about 2,000 euro profit. This is for sell trade. You know, and I'm looking for the Nasdaq now to reach this resistance, you know, and to bounce back further down, because there was negative news being released just now. Anyway guys, so furthermore guys, so if you're new to my channel guys, I would highly recommend you to please click on that subscribe button so that you will be up to date with all of my upcoming video news releases. So I'm going to show you how we placed these trades and how we placed and why we exactly placed these trades. So I'm going to discuss the biggest trades which are running at the moment. I'm really close to I'm gonna close I think USD CHF a little bit later on. So at the moment our profit is over 4,200 euro and still running guys. Okay, so let's take a look at the Nasdaq trade. So here we go. So Nasdaq earlier on today there was a really huge you know indication for Nasdaq price, you know, that the Nasdaq price is going to go down. You know, when we look at tradingview.com, if you go to Nasdaq 100 index, you know, you're gonna see that like most of the day, like from earlier on this morning up until now, there was strong indication for a sell trade. You know, also when you look at the news, you know, that was being released earlier on, you know. Earlier on yesterday, you know, and the news were indicated, you know, clearly that there could be, you know, downfall for Nasdaq. And then when we looked at technical analysis, we did take a look at technical analysis, you know, for Nasdaq, which was, let me just show you. So we used two moving average lines. So these are two exponential moving average lines. One is 180, which is the blue one. Another one is 365, which is red one. And we saw this, you know, we saw the crossover. Okay, we saw a huge crossover. Let me just see. What time did we place this trade? So we placed this trade at so it was 1 o'clock. So 1 past 1 o'clock. Let me just show you. 1 past 1 o'clock was here when the markets when the markets opened. So in this area right here, we saw the crossover. We saw the crossover between the two exponential moving average lines. This was a really strong indication that you know, that the markets, you know, are changing direction. If the red line is above the blue line, the markets are going down. If the blue line is above the red line, the markets are going up. But at this stage, guys, we saw that the crossover was forming. Okay, and also what we saw that the previously price was touching the upper Bollinger Band. What does it mean if the price touch the top of the Bollinger Band? It means that the price could most likely see reversal. And this is exactly what happened. The price saw the price, you know, the price actually showed the you know, downward movement because of these two exponential moving average lines. We combined that together with the news, you know, and the news and the other indicators and the technical analysis indicator on a trading view, which clearly stated that you know, that there was it was a really strong strong sell for that particular for that particular security, Nasdaq 100. And that's what we did, guys. So as at the moment, guys, we are a little bit over 2,000 euro profit for this single trade alone, guys. Okay, so let me see. You know, I'm looking for the price to hit this level and to go down, to go further down. You know. So this was one of our trades today, guys. Then the next really profitable trade today, guys, is, and these guys trades are live. Okay, so these are not closed trades. You are looking at real trades, live trades, you know, that are running in front of your eyes. Honestly, I haven't seen any other YouTuber actually showing this stuff to the people, you know, to actually, you know, delivering, you know, really important information of how to generate these solid daily results. I have not seen any other channel on YouTube actually showing this. Hey, let's take a look at NZD USD. You can see what's going on. NZD USD, guys, these are live profits in front of your eyes. Again, over 700 euro profits. You know, it's going up and down because markets are very volatile. But as we can see right here, you know, that the price is touching, you know, the price is wants to touch or is looking for the next support. It's actually looking for this support right now. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna close this trade. Here we go. I closed that trade. You know, I closed that trade because it was touching really strong the really strong support. Let's take a look at it in a little bit more detail. So yeah, so we get 724.88 from that trade. Now the Nasdaq, I want to close Nasdaq, but as I said, I'm looking for Nasdaq to actually here, you know, touch the next resistance. And that next resistance most likely is going to press and push the price even further down. Although I'm pretty confident, you know, to around 2.5, about 2. I'm looking for 2.4 thousand euro profit for Nasdaq 100 trade. So yes, guys. So these are my trades for today. Today seems that today will be the biggest, you know, the biggest profits we generated in one single day since I launched my academy. So you know, so that's really, you know. That's really great to see. Let me just see if so the Euro USD is gonna close as soon as it's gonna hit the stop loss. So make sure, guys, yeah, so in my training group we also indicate you the stop loss, but the Euro USD could see the reversal, okay? Because there are going to be news being released. There was a consumer confidence factor news there was earlier on, you know, but there are going to be another news for the euro which I expect to be positive, which is gonna bring this value, you know, bring this up, although I have a stop loss on it. So if it's gonna hit the stop loss, you know, if it's gonna hit the stop loss, you know, it's gonna close that trade. Although, guys, so today our total profits are above 4,000 euro, guys, are above 4,000 euro. No surprises, guys, all on open in front of your eyes. Yeah, guys, so let me just take a look at that NZD USD once more. NZD USD. Let's take a look at the full screen. So we took it at one past. So at 1 o'clock, right? So it was around this area. So around this area we placed, yeah, so we placed the sell trade because it was breaking out of its support. Yeah, so let me show you right here. So let me show you. So it was 1 o'clock. So yeah, around this. So yeah, so this was there where it was. So yeah, so there was my resistance. I should have saved this, you know. I should have saved this for you, but it doesn't matter. I can draw it again. So this was our support. This was our resistance, you know. So this was our support. Sorry, this candles, you know, this candle, this red. Look at this candle. So this is a really strong support. Okay, from this point forward, the price went up, you know. Then this candle broke through our support, this red candle, okay? That was not an indication. Then what happened? Then the new candle opened, this red candle, that mother and son candle opened. So this new candle opened and closed below our support, indicating that support is broken and that the price is going to go down. It did, you know, it did kind of spike up here again because there was another new fund, you know, there was another New Zealand is new, I think, news from a particular sector that was released in New Zealand. So there was little fluctuation in here, although, you know, it did respect another resistance right here, and the price just, you know, bounced back down. Because when we looked at the NZD against USD on TradingView news, it was clearly indicated that the price is seeing downward movement, and this is exactly what happened, you know. And so how much so this is exactly what happened. And yes, so here we go, guys. So this was our another trade from today. Let me just go out here. Yeah, guys, so these trades are running, and the next profit I'm going to take is from Nasdaq 100. Nasdaq, you know, so from this trade. So these are the trades, guys, we've seen. In previous videos, I talked about one of my top stocks. One of my top stock and CFDs to watch out for February 2019. So please watch my previous video from today where I talk about that, which will give you an indication for really great trading opportunities, you know, starting from tomorrow. Why tomorrow? Well, tomorrow is 30th of January, and tomorrow Tesla is going to release their report fourth quarter earnings, you know, for January. So January 30th, which is tomorrow, Tesla is going to release very important news, which are most likely going to impact, you know, and the price is going to, and people, you know, analysts are hoping for the bull run, okay? Because Tesla at the moment is reaching its own really strong, you know, support. So the price is all-time low now, and it's touching its support. So watch out for Tesla. Watch my previous video from today about my top stocks to watch out for. Yes, guys, so thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. So if you want to experience similar profits to these, you are welcome to join my Income Mentor Box Trading Academy. The link is below the video. Check it out. It's just one-time payment, lifetime access. There are no monthly fees whatsoever. Yeah, guys, thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and see you guys again in tomorrow's video. Bye.